Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some techniques I used during the creation of this fall scene. I was inspired by this creation. To see the full image and tutorial, the link will be in the description. So starting off with a new document, I made mine 8 by 8 centimeters. Once my document loaded, I created an orange rectangle. I then took the ellipse tool and drew a circle over top of my rectangle. I copied and pasted my circle until the rectangle was no longer visible. Next, I went to Windows and opened up the Pathfinder. I selected my entire shape and hit the divide button. Next, ungroup the object and select and delete the bottom half of the object. To create some of the trees, I first made a brown rectangle. Next, I took the line segment tool and drew a line down the center of the rectangle. I selected my object and went to the Pathfinder window. Then I ungrouped the object and made the left half of the rectangle darker to create a shadow effect. For the leaves, I took the ellipse tool and made a circle. I copied and pasted the same circle on the top, but reduced the size and changed the color a little bit lighter. I ended up changing my colors around a bit because I didn't like what I had before. Next, I created a tree trunk and rounded off the edges by selecting the direct selection tool and dragging the corners in. To create the leaves, I then copied and pasted the shape on top. I reduced the size and changed the color. I repeated this step 2 more times. Once I found the desired shape, I continued to copy and paste my objects to create the rest of the tree. I went ahead and skipped to the end result because I continued using the same technique. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.